The Masai Mara, located in southwestern Kenya, is a world-renowned safari destination that attracts nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers from around the globe. Spanning over 1,500 square kilometers, this wildlife reserve offers a mesmerizing tapestry of grassy plains, rolling hills, and meandering rivers, providing a haven for a diverse array of wildlife. But how do you go about booking your dream safari holiday? Let's find out. The first step is choosing the right time to visit. The Masai Mara experiences a fantastic spectacle known as the Great Migration, where millions of wildebeests and zebras traverse the plains in search of fresh grazing lands. This phenomenon occurs between July and October, offering a unique and breathtaking experience. Once you've decided on the timing, it's time to explore accommodation options. The Masai Mara offers a wide range of lodges and camps to suit every budget and preference. From luxurious tented camps that immerse you in nature to eco-friendly lodges that prioritize sustainability, there's something for everyone. Beyond the wildlife, the Masai Mara also presents an opportunity to engage with the local Maasai people and their vibrant culture. Many safari operators offer cultural experiences, such as visits to Maasai villages, where you can learn about their traditional way of life and witness their rich heritage firsthand. Now comes the thrilling part, the safari game drives. These are led by experienced guides who have an intimate knowledge of the reserve and its wildlife. Whether it's an early morning expedition to catch the sunrise or a sunset drive to witness predators in action, each game drive promises to be an exhilarating adventure. To book your safari holiday, you have several options. You can either choose a trusted travel agent who specializes in African safaris or book directly with certain accommodations that offer all-inclusive safari packages. Whichever option you choose, it's crucial to research and read reviews to ensure a reputable and reliable experience.